In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create newsletter sign-up in Brevo. To get started, you will open your Brevo account and look for the main navigation menu. The first thing you need to do is go to the marketing area. Once you are in marketing, you will select Forms. This is where Brevo lets you create sign-up experiences for your visitors, so taking this step correctly ensures everything is stored in the right place. Next, you will click Create a Sign-up Form. This starts a fresh form setup that you can customize to match your newsletter sign-up process. Take a moment here to notice that Brevo may present a blank form or a template depending on your account settings. Either way, the goal is the same. You are creating a sign-up form that can collect contact information and add people to your marketing lists. Now that the form is created, you will use the drag-and-drop editor. This editor makes it easy to build your form without needing any technical setup. As you move elements onto the form, you will add blocks like text, image, input fields, and buttons. The text block is useful for your headline or instructions, such as what the newsletter is about. An image block can help the form look more polished and on-brand. Then you will add input fields for the details you want to collect, which commonly include things like first name or email address. Finally, you will add a button so users have a clear action to take, such as signing up. As you add these blocks, focus on creating a simple and clear layout. A good practice is to keep your instructions short and place the input fields in a logical order. If your form looks clean and easy to understand, more people are likely to complete it. Also, make sure the button is clearly visible and placed after the input fields so the call to action makes sense. After the design looks right, you will move on to connecting the form to the right audience. This is an important step because it determines where new signups are recorded. You will select the contact list where new subscribers will be added. Choose the list that matches the newsletter you are running, since the list is what Brevo uses to manage your email campaigns. Once you have selected the contact list, you will go to the Settings tab. In the Settings area, you will enable Double Opt-in. Double Opt-in adds an extra confirmation step for new subscribers, which helps improve data quality. It typically means that after someone submits the form, they receive a confirmation message and must confirm their subscription. This can also support compliance requirements and reduce accidental or spam signups. After Double Opt-in is enabled, you will define your success message or redirect URL. The success message is what the user will see after they successfully submit the form. This can be a simple thank you note, or it can include instructions about checking their inbox for the confirmation email. Alternatively, the redirect URL sends the user to a different page after sign-up. Either option helps you guide the visitor to what happens next, so they understand the next step in the process. When you are satisfied with the success behavior, you will finish the setup by clicking Done or Save. This action will generate what you need to publish the sign-up form. Depending on your setup and how you plan to place the form, Brevo will provide a shareable link or an embed code. Finally, copy the shareable link or the embed code and use it wherever you want your newsletter sign-up to appear. A shareable link is convenient for posting in places like social media or a landing page. The embed code is ideal if you want to place the form directly on your website or within a web page builder. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.